So this is Simon Clarke, in charge of Clarke Infinity. Simon, how long ago was it that you convinced me to have this lighting system?
It was 18 months ago, I reckon.
How hard was I to convince?
The most difficult person in 30 years, I'll be honest with you. Very close second, yeah.
Simon literally came to me 18 months ago and said, look, you need a lighting design. And I was like, what are you talking about? I've only ever lived in houses with switches and that's it. He was like, Mark, trust me, this will change your life. You can shut the blinds by a switch. You can do this, you can do that. You can have one button that sets it how you want it. And then he took me actually to Lutron in London, showed me how it all works, showed me the blinds, the lighting system. And it has just been incredible. So yeah, thanks for basically the best thing in this house.
No worries. We went through a lot of things sort of 18 months ago, and I think it's a success, the project. But is there any one or two things that you like above everything else?
I think one thing you convinced me to do was put the curtains, not just the blinds, the curtains on the Lutron system in my bedroom, and just being able to press the button next to my bed and seeing them do that. It's like something out of a movie. So that's one of them. It's quite hard to pick them out because there's just so many things. Like I love this, what you told me to have this bar all on the system. How I can just go to my phone, ground floor, bar and games room, get to my switch, and it's on. So like stuff like that in here, but then like the homely button that I remember you saying to me, choose a word that means something to you and Michelle, and we'll put that on the switch. And it says it on the switch. And it's just, honestly, it's been, it's a game changer.
Been successful then, yeah? Pleased with the project?
Yeah, very pleased. It's the first time, by the way, I've bigged him up this much.
That's great.
But I will say it's been amazing, thank you. Perfect.